I'm Cara and welcome to Yoga with Cara. We've got a nice short yoga moment for you today. So it's a nice short class that we will start sitting down. So you're going to have your feet slightly wider than hip width apart, hands behind the hips, and just allow the knees to rock from side to begin with. And then the next time the knees are down one way, doesn't matter which way you go, you're just going to rotate the body that way and then take a few little press ups towards the ground, just bending as much or as little as the body allows. Good, and then pausing there and walk the hands away from you. Good, and some of you might be able to lower more towards the ground, some of you may need to be up higher. You're just working with your body and working what feels good for you in this moment. Then slow to come back up. We swap over to the other side. Exactly the same, that pressing, lowering and lifting movement. Just noticing how that feels for the body. And then same again, walking the hands away, finding that point of intensity, but without forcing anything. You always want to work within your capability, find that point of resistance, but not feel like you're wrenching yourself into a certain position. And then slow to come back up. Good. We'll extend one of the legs out straight, bring the other leg into the upper thigh, and then fingertips behind your hips and sit up nice and tall. Good. Inhale to lengthen up. Exhale to lean down that leg. Inhale back up. Exhale to lean. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lean and then pause there, reaching down the leg and just feel the opposite shoulder open back and away. Good. Maybe you're holding the lower leg, maybe you're holding the ankle, maybe you're holding around the toes. And again, just finding that point of resistance in your body. Good. And as we lift up, back hand comes down. See if you can lift your hips. Don't worry if you can't, but if you can, you're lifting your hips up, reaching to the sky, and then lowering back down. Good. Swapping over to the other side. We're going to do exactly the same to begin with. Fingertips behind the hips and sit up tall. Hand nearest the straight leg, you're going to lower and lift a few times. And then the next time you reach down, we're going to pause there, holding wherever you can on that leg, drawing the opposite shoulder up and back, finding that pause. And then as you reach back up, back hand comes down, front arm comes high. Maybe you stay there, or maybe you lift the hips, reaching up to the sky. Good, and then slow to lower down. We'll bring the soles of the feet together, knees apart, holding either the ankles or around the feet. We'll inhale to lengthen, exhale to bow the head, maybe hinge forward or fold forward. And again, some of you may be forehead to the toes, some of you might stay upright, or you may be anywhere in between that. And just pausing where you feel that resistance in your body, where you feel that intensity, but you don't feel like you're wrenching yourself or forcing yourself. Good, nice deep breaths, focusing on the exhale. Long, smooth exhale of breath. Good. Namaste. Have a wonderful day.